are the few changes I'm thinking we should incorporate, because we already have proposed addressing unit here. So we will definitely have a light on top here, we need a light, and then probably a socket on this side. This socket probably should be around 800 from the floor level, because the counter should be roughly around 780 to 800. So just a little bit like 100 millimeter away from the desk, so that if you want to use it, you can use it to drive deep in the thing and the light. And then if this light can be independently be controlled around this same place we can put the socket, the better. And that is for the master. Then these ones, I'm assuming these are switches inside the cabinet, and the cabinet goes all the way to that particular side. Then from that side, we will see, so these sockets, we have done the changes, but I would prefer sockets that are just slightly on top of the side stool. The bed is in the middle, the side stool. So instead of it being behind the side stool, let us have it slightly on top. So we can work with that, because this comes from the floor all the way to around 700 or 600. So let's have it at 700. So we can have this actually a socket for charging, and then switches. So we can have an intermittent switch in such a way that you can control it from this side or control it from the other end. And that means when we are doing gypsum ceiling, it is independently channeled from the top all the way to that point. So controlling maybe the wall bracket and the ceiling light. And then this also is gonna be run in such a way that it's coming from this particular point to the ceiling light and to the wall bracket independently. So these people can control those things independently. Then let's go to, so this is what happens sometimes when renovations outside and changes. Then apart from that, let's look at, so this becomes the countertop. This can be inbuilt inside the area. Then you have a mirror on top. So here again, there are things that you come outside and you look at, and you realize that this shape on this side and this shape, the Fundi has already fabricated something that we actually want, but these shapes do not look alike. So I would want a scenario whereby if this is 20 millimeter and this side is 20 millimeter, let us have 20 millimeters on both sides, so that these things look uniform. If this is a triangle or a trapezium kind of or a certain shape in this side, let the shape be the same. And if these are the measurements, let the measurements be equal, so that when we finish the tiling, the thing looks equal. And I would suggest another change here, that in such a way that now this is the size of the window. We can actually start this shape from this point to maybe here, and then this other one can also start from this point to maybe here. Then we have a same size, and if I want to overlap, then let it come out the same size. If it's 100, let it be 100, and then we go down, and the height the same thing. So those are some of the changes. These are some of the changes that we are doing. This door was coming from the dining area. We have blocked to create a common toilet that didn't exist. This was the master bathroom, and it was going all the way to that side. So we did a partition here, and now here we have glass blocks. And these glass blocks are now gonna take the light to the other side. They will be colored so that now when you're on this side, they're opaque, you can't see on the other side. And when you're on the other side, you can't see this side. But in this sense, you can get enough light on the other side. So these are some of the things that we do. These are some of the things. This door leads into this master. When you're in the lounge, you could walk directly from the lounge to this master. So we have blocked this and created another door on this end. So we created another door that this was actually there. This was the initial balcony. This was a balcony for the lounge. So we have extended the lounge all the way to this side. We will create glass window or aluminum glass window on this side, and we have curtains blowing, light goes in, and we can have a small seating around this area. But all in all, someone can walk from the other side instead of just directly from the main entrance. You can come all the way to this side, then now walk in. So this was created And then as you walk in, the master can have like a small kitchenette around here. So we are proposing a small kitchenette around here and a TV unit, and in this proposal, I will do something like a TV starts from here all the way to here. So we'll have a switch here, then we come and hang right now they put the socket here. We have to remove because now we have a wall bracket around here to mount the TV. So we need a socket here to power the TV, and probably another socket here, and then we have a TV unit or a floating unit so that it is complete. Then on this side we have a kitchenette, we will have a socket which is already been provided. So these are some of the changes that we need to apply and interior designer that need to help you. Then now, initially that was the proposed wardrobe side on that side. So the bed was to come on this side, which we have already decided this is where it will be. So we have a switch to the bedroom. We have the side stools which will come with the sockets coming up slightly, socket going up slightly, and maybe wall brackets, and then now the wardrobes will flow all the way to that side. So that is it for the master. Let me show you some other case. So some of other things. So guys, if you can see, this is the lounge. I just take a video around. So that becomes the main door for the house. That is the main door. So that main door stays where it is. We have closed that door and opened the door on this side, so that as you walk directly from this door, when you're coming in from here, you don't necessarily need to see the master direct like this. So you walk in and the master door is not directly, it is on the other side. So you walk in, it's a funny time like this, and most of the times you realize that someone comes in and they're seated or they're in the lounge. So you walk away from people and then you walk into the master. Apart from that, so this is blocked, and then these are some of the reasons why involving an interior designer is very key before you go so far. Then again, this is the layout. So we have this is the dining area. So that becomes the lounge, the balcony. This is the dining area, and this is the breakfast nook according to our design. And the kitchen starts from that point all the way to the other side. So imagine you were seated here, then as you finish cooking or you are seated at the dining area, the toilet door is directly there. So as we come in, we decided to lock that door and create another space on this side in such a way that now this is the door to the other bedroom, which is fine, not a problem because it's just a kid's bedroom, this one. So you walk into this side and we have created a scenario where that now this was not there. So we have created a nook whereby now we extended this wall inside as you walk from the dining, and then now we are going to provide a door here. So this door is here to that bedroom. So you walk into that bedroom. So we created a door here. So that is how it looks. So this is a new one, creating a space for the. This is the new space for the bedroom. So for the bedside. Then now this is the door that leads into this bedroom. That is the space for the wardrobes, and that is a study area. Then now we created this door here. So immediately after the dining will come in, and this is now the walk-in, the new proposed common toilet, far away from the lounge. In the dining you have to walk in a bit, then you just get a toilet on the other side and a small thing in the middle. Those are the glass blocks I was showing from the master. That is the small window that has been provided. Light comes in, and we will even not take it all the way to the upper floor because to the ceiling we leave a gap so that now air can move in from the other side and this side, and then we put another windows. So these are some of the proposed changes for a site. Then there was a wall here which we have removed so that we maintain a bigger space between the breakfast nook and the breakfast nook in the dining. So a bit over decoration on this, a console on that wall plus light. That is it. And this is the proposed kitchen. This is what we found outside. what we have proposed is pull this one down and just bring in simple cabinets all the way. Then after that, so cabinets will flow from here, where this is, so here, and then it goes all the way to probably somewhere here. Then the rest of the other space, we leave a gap of probably a meter, or that is 600, then we have a breakfast nook there. Then on this other side, this one we now going to also bring down all these cabinets that are already here in place. We bring them down and then create a cabinet all around, whereby we have a washing machine and washing machine. It's actually a washing machine. This cabinet storage is a washing machine so that you can iron, do your things. Then as you walk out, we are going to place a cooker here. This will be a standalone cooker so that you can decide you can prepare food or use it as a dirty kitchen or a chef's kitchen. So that is it.